Hey Shadow. I am working on a Twitch game. Kind of. Well, I'm working out the mechanics first, and then I'm seeing if I can do this. I'm trying to make a power bar, like in golf. It's kind of not working though. Hang on. Let me comment this out. Yeah. Rip. It's supposed to go the other way. Oh well. It's gonna be a chat game, so chat can interact with it. I've already made one so far, but this is a new design. It's gonna be a different game about throwing stuff. I will be of no help, basically. No, just neither do I really. I'm kind of just learning as I go. It's not that bad so far. I've just been referencing these documents. They're really helpful, and they're always up to date as well. MDN. So I think I have my other game here. So basically, this is the one that I've almost finished. So I can just interact. It's supposed to go through AnkBot, but oh wait, that didn't work because I have the tokens the wrong amount. Hold on. Alpaca, well, you have an alpaca, okay? And there's a llama on a different stream. You can, I mean, what's the difference really? I don't really know what the difference is anyway. It's pretty much the same thing. Okay, whatever you say. Okay, I think this should... let me check. Right, so if I do... ah, there you go. I guess I'll just fill the rest, since I don't have my other account open. So this would technically be in an overlay on OBS, just as a browser source, and that's the wrong font, by the way. It's because I've kind of hijacked one of the computers at university, and I can't install fonts because there are restrictions, which is sad, but oh well. You type OK to start it, and you can ignore the llama bit, because apparently it's not a llama. And basically, I am streaming from a uni computer, yes. I kind of just hijacked one of the computers in the 24/7 rooms. And I managed to get a portable version of OBS. And it runs. And the bitrate is so good. Because my potato laptop can't stream, so rip. Well, it can stream like Notepad if I wanted to write or draw. But as far as games go, not really, which is sad. No problem. I'm trying not to stay up too late today because I have to get up for 9 o'clock tomorrow. And rip. You got me on the TV? Oh no, get me off the TV. I've been thinking about putting streams up on the projector, because I'm in a room on my own, and there's a projector. That would be pretty cool. It's like almost midnight though. I think there are still people walking around, so it could be awkward if someone walks in. I've got to get this thing working. Power up. Okay, how am I gonna do this? I have no idea. If power up. No, if current power, right. If current power is 0, if it's 1, then tell it to go up. Redo. Otherwise, carry on as normal. Let's see if that works. Oh my god. Wait, why is it getting faster? Okay, that's not supposed to happen. That was a bit weird. Why is it getting faster? I'm gonna have to try using intervals. Yes, it's working now. That's good. So the aim is, the game is it's going to be like a meter thing, and then when you type stop in chat, it should stop. But now I need to work out how I'm going to stop it. I can get rid of this because that's broken. This can go, oops, this can go here, and this can go here. Actually, wait. Yeah, it's going to be random. That's, hopefully it makes things a bit more complicated. It's going to be for giveaways and stuff. So normally when people do giveaways, everyone enters and then you pick a winner, right? Well, with this, you get AnkBot to pick, say 3 or 4 people, and then you all make them play this game, and then, well, the meter's going to be one part of it, so it's going to be like, they're going to be competing basically. It's going to be like a Mario Party game, but for chat. And then whoever wins that, wins the giveaway. Kind of just makes things a bit more exciting. I don't know how far I will get with that though, because I'm really just trying to learn what the logic will look like, but the actual thing will be, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. If only the font was actually working. That's what the font is supposed to look like, but it's not loading on Chrome for some reason, because I'm using portable apps, which lets me at least put in fonts which appear in the program, but they don't get loaded into Chrome, which is sad. So now I want to be able to stop. So if I make a function called stop power, and now I do, it's clear interval, I think. Yes, okay. So the scope is window dot clear interval, I think. I don't know. And then we'll say stop power. We'll make that a command here. So when I say stop, run, stop power. Let's give it a go. Okay, it broke because of a syntax error, probably of what I just changed. No, that's fine. It's probably this actually. No, it's not. I broke something. Oh, right. Oh, wait, no. I'm confused. Wait, rewind. Okay. Now Hmm. If only I could install games on this, or get Steam running. I don't think that'll be possible though. What's wrong with this? Is it because I already know? Oh, right. I'm an idiot. Yeah, it would probably be against the policy, and there are restrictions anyway, so... I know the computers in the gaming lab in the basement, or in like one of the other buildings, has Steam on it, and probably other games because game development. But I think you need to be enrolled on those courses. Okay, so if I type stop, hopefully it should stop. And it doesn't stop. Of course it doesn't. Gaming lab, yes. There's a media basement that has like 3 different computer lab things, and there's like, for people who are like on the game development stuff, so there's like motion capture, VR, that kind of stuff. I haven't been inside, but I've kind of seen it through like the glass, and it looks pretty awesome. But they're like, the doors are all like swipe access, so this didn't work. Let's try this. That didn't work. Did I even add? Oh, it's because I didn't add the thing back. Right. Okay. Third time's the charm. And it's not working again. What's wrong? And the lights keep going off. It's because I'm the only one in the room, and the university is like being super eco, which is a good thing. But because I'm not moving, the lights keep going off. And I have to keep standing up and doing a dance. Okay. That didn't work. How do I stop it? No. If someone else was here, I probably wouldn't be talking. Just because I wouldn't want to interrupt them. I'm assuming if they were here at midnight, then they probably want peace and quiet, so... There's but I'm in one of like the other 24/7 rooms. I think there's one next door that a bunch of people typically use, but for some reason no one seems to use this room. Which I don't understand, because I like the lighting in here better. do I clear text? How do I clear info? Oh, right, like that. Okay. Well, that would have been good to know. Okay, this should work. I'm hoping. Please. It worked! Okay, now what if I make it super fast? Actually, let me grab a text box and see if I can return a power value. Unlimited power. Okay. I'll make it bold. And we'll make it. We'll make it black. So, if I call that power text. So when I stop, then set power text to equal current power. Current power should be a value out of 100, so that's fine. With any luck, it should be the percentage. Actually, let's make it percentage. Current power plus percent. Okay. Actually, oops. Just to test that the people can use it. If you would like to type not stop, yeah, stop. If you could type stop, that would be great. Please and thank you, if you're still there. Ooh, it worked. Okay, 16%. That would be a very low power, so you would probably lose, but it's a good try. What's the delay like? Because obviously I'm across the pond, so... You can try again. Try and see if you can predict the delay. I want to see... I don't know if this is... if it's too, like, slow right now. If I should make it oscillate faster, you know. 7 to 8 seconds? That's not... yeah, that's about what I'm expecting, actually. Do you think it... well, you know, I mean, if you were competing against other people, like 3 other people, they could still get 1, 2 or 3%, so... you could win in that instance. Do you think it should be faster? I don't know. Let's see what it looked like faster. Because actually... so right now it's 10 milliseconds for each... for incrementing by 1. What if it was visible? This would probably... actually, let me just not log to console because I think the console will just die. You might actually have more chance here. Just because it's alternating so fast. Oh, that's interesting. Hmm. 1 millisecond might be a bit fast though. What does this look like? RNGesus. Okay, now it's taking a second. I'll take forever. What if I halve it? That still takes forever. I think it's 100. It's usually... I'm wondering why it starts off with a really big... Why it starts off at 100 though. It's a bit strange. The slower it is, the less RNG, yeah. I'll probably stick with 10. That seems like a good value. Because that would... yeah, this is way too slow. 10 I think was probably a good one. It's always good to debug with probably high values, just because you don't want the console logging up. It needs to oscillate at least 2 or 3 times during delay for any sort of... yeah, I agree. So I'll stick with 10 I think. Maybe 50 was... Actually, I think 10 is alright. It's probably not even going to be a bar. There's no delay on my side, so... oh, that's pretty good. 1 second to fill empty. Well, the logic for that works, but I don't think I'm even using a bar. It's gonna be like a catapult kind of thing. So the catapult will be... well, first you need to set the angle, so it's going to be rotating like this, and then they have to type, so yeah, so it'll be an angle first, and then they have to type well, a stop again to set the power, and then probably have to think of some formula to times them together or something, and then I'll give them a distance. And then the person who gets the highest, or the furthest distance wins. I suppose I could use a bar actually, but the animation, I don't know. I'm not a very good artist in general, so I don't know how far with that I'll get. I don't even know. I don't think it would even be a catapult. It'd probably be something like... It's good to know this works at least. So closest to 45 degrees and 100 power wins. Yes, probably. I mean... yes. I might tweak the formula so that I don't know, because it depends. You could have if you have a, well, it might not be like straight up. It might not be between 0 and 90. It might be solid, like, maybe I won't make the ideal like degrees 45. Have a target distance that is randomized. That could be interesting. And then like whoever's closest to that wins. Yes. I wasn't even looking at the screen when you said that. That's an interesting idea. It's probably more work, but mathematically 45 will go as far as I suppose. I mean, Maybe I could add some RNG air resistance. Who knows? I don't even know what object I'm throwing yet. It could be like paper or something. Like a paper airplane. No. I think it would just, at that point, it's probably getting a bit physicsy. Okay, well, now that I know how to create something that oscillates, well, this was my original goal, to create something that oscillates between 2 points, and then to be able to stop it with a command. So, now I need to check if I can create something that rotates around a point, because that will be kind of what the angle thing will be about. So I'm just going to create... Actually, create a line. And I'll try to make the line sort of go like horizontal and vertical. So I think I should be able to move the center like this, and then I think I should be able to rotate it using dot rotate. If you have a target distance, you don't have the RNG. You don't have to RNG the power or angle the player can choose. Yeah, that's a good point. And then that's like 2 layers of RNG, because they could get something really close, and then they would need to try and time it too. I don't know. As long as they don't know the formula. Yeah. That's something I don't know. If I could do that off stream. No one's gonna, even if I do it on stream, no one's gonna know. No one's gonna see. I'll call this stick. I suppose you could always flip it and then sell it to people, sell the formula. It's a neat idea, thanks. Yeah, I don't know, well, I'm kind of just experimenting for now to see where this will go, but hopefully it could lead to some interesting things, and we'll see what happens. Kind of just making things a bit more interactive, you know, like what you do with your lights. That's a really cool thing. I haven't actually seen that before. Although you've had your cam off recently, so I haven't been able to mess with your lighting. Okay. Well, hopefully I should just be able to copy and paste this. And then just change the stuff around. We'll call it stick up. No, angle up. Interval angle. 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 I'm pretty happy with my lights. I haven't touched the code since I set it up. Nice. What did you code it in? Is it going through Ongbot? So maybe Python? I haven't really looked too much at the scripts, although I kind of want to get into it because it looks pretty interesting. But I can't get Ongbot running on these computers, sadly. Which I guess is understandable since it kind of does file stuff. Oh god. Oh wait, I can just times it by 90 for 90 degrees. That's fine. So, current angle. Oh wait, now I'm making it. Oh, I don't know actually. I use PhantomBot, which I think is JS. I write PhantomBot to file, and then I have Python code that reads lights and runs lights. Ooh, that's really cool. That's super neat. So there's definitely other ways that you're thinking of expanding it, because I think you have different color lights, don't you, and different kind of flashing. Are there other ways that you were thinking of? You could get it to like oh, I'm thinking of something else. It does. Wait, is it your like ceiling lights as well, or is it just the lights in the background? Use file as a messaging system. I can add more stuff, but that's work. Yeah. It's sad. It's all the good stuff takes work. Current angle. Angle up. Angle dot rotation. Times 90. I can see this failing. Well, let's see. It doesn't move, of course. This is a thing. Oh, it's stick. Right. I called it stick. I don't know why. Because it looks like a stick, I guess. I probably should have called it angle. I think it's going to spin around in circles. Or it's probably not going to spin at all. Okay, it's spinning down. Maybe it's mine. Oh, because it's plussing. So I probably need to minus to go up, and then plus to go back down. So if I swap those round, then it still doesn't work. And the light's turned off again. Okay. Do 272. Oh yeah, you're right. Because I'm setting the rotation to an absolute value over here. I wonder what if I did. Hold on. What if I did this? Oh, that's pretty interesting. Well, if I ever need to animate something that looks like it's having a seizure, then I think I've worked out how to do it. Okay, let's do what you think. 270, 360, or rotation times, well, let's try this then. We'll just change these. I'm assuming they both have to be the same because they're going up and down. Okay. Now it's just rotating in every angle that I don't want it to rotate in. Oh wait, that's because its rotation is probably... Well, it needs to stay 90. Okay, let's just do minus 90 then. There we go. Now, I can type. Okay, so if I do this, if I do stop power and stop angle, and then, oh, I know, I can make. I copied this. Do this, and instead of power bar, change stick, and it should go from left to right, right? So now the line will get longer and shorter. Let me just make oh wait, actually I can leave that in. Actually, I should probably not make that the same function name. But I will duplicate this line and this line, and I'll call them both stick. I can leave the power bar in as a visual indicator. Do I need to scale the stick? That's what I'm hopefully doing now. So, because I already set the center to be over here, it should get longer and shorter. We'll see. I've added it into the same power function, so let me just copy, place and paste. We'll call that angle text. That's gonna look weird. Yeah, it probably will. I just want to see if I can change the same thing. Change the same, what do you call it? Symbol. I'll need to stop the player from setting the power before they do the angle. I think I'll probably want to get them to do the angle first. The stick's not gonna... Wait, is it scaled on an angle or on a power? It's gonna be rotating for the angle, and then it'll get longer and short. Once you set the angle, it'll start getting longer and shorter for the power. Actually, it's gonna do both at the same time. It's gonna rotate and get shorter and longer at the same time, because I haven't set it to do one after the other, which I could probably do, but I want to see if this works first. Oh, interval angle. You thought I was scaling on the angle? Oh no. What's the symbol for degrees? That'll do. I think this is probably going to go wrong, but we'll see what happens. Now I just need to add in the stop. We'll call it power and angle, so we'll type angle to stop the angle, and type power to stop the power. Whoa! Oh, because it's taking the same amount of time, of course. Okay, so try typing power. Actually no, try type angle first. because you want to be able to set the power after you know what angle you're in. And we'll see if the angle text changes. Okay, 79 degrees, 83 power. Nice, you got a nice power this time. It's probably gonna go just up and then come down, I guess. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do the formula yet. And you can, I think, well, so technically if I do it the other way around and then I type power first. Huh. So typing power stops angle as well? That's weird. Oh, wait. It's because I didn't change that. Okay. Well, that's not what I want either. Oh, hang on. Current angle. I copy pasted the wrong thing. Okay. It should go back to the way it was. So hopefully typing, okay, so now it's like how it was, and if I do power, nice. It's a little stick. Whoa, I got the same numbers. I'm a genius. Well, that's not, okay, so now I want to be able to type. I want to be able to do power first and then angle. So let's create a variable called angle set. Angle set, if angle set, so angle set is false. And if I go up here, I can do if angle set equals false, then no, if angle set is true, because then I don't need to do the other way around. And then that. So when the angle has been set, oh wait, I need to do it the other way around. I need to be able to set the power after I do the angle, right? So let me just swap these around. So after I set the angle, I can set angle set equals true. So they should be able to type power straight afterwards, but they shouldn't be able to do it the other way around. So hopefully, oh wait, I need to stop. Okay, so I need to stop the power from running. So if I comment this out and I go up here, I can do power. So I don't want power to run straight away. There we go. So hopefully typing power first doesn't do anything. you gotta go. Glad I could help playtest. Thank you for playtesting, and thanks for stopping by as well. Hope you're having fun in Kingdom Come, and I hope I can stop by soon. Okay. It didn't work. Oh wait, it did work. Did it? I didn't really see it stop. Wait, why is it 0? Well, rip. I'll catch you soon. Have a good one. Yeah, the power didn't work. Maybe... See you. Have a good one. Take care. Why is it doing that? Call it start power then. We'll create that as a new function. Function. Start power. This is not in the right scope, that's my only problem. Oh, I know. We'll do this. This is power, let me comment that out. Function start power. Paste that. And we'll put all the necessary stuff inside that. So remove this. Take this. Put that in here. So that should be in the right scope. Power does nothing. Angle stops the angle, but the power didn't start. Oh right, because this is that's annoying. This doesn't have its own function. Delete this. Actually, don't delete that.